Discover the secret to massive wealth, unlocking the path to financial freedom. Are you tired of the daily grind? Dreaming of a life filled with abundance and financial freedom? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to reveal the secret to achieving massive wealth and unlocking the path to true financial independence. Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the secrets of success and wealth creation. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. In this video, we will share the key steps you need to take to transform your financial situation and live life on your own terms. Step 1. Setting smart financial goals. The first step towards financial freedom is setting smart goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals that provide you with a clear roadmap to follow. Whether it's buying your dream home, starting a business, or retiring early, setting goals will give you a sense of purpose and direction. Step 2. Budgeting and saving, the cornerstones of financial freedom. Now that you have your goals in mind, it's time to build a solid financial foundation. This starts with effective budgeting and saving strategies. By tracking your expenses and cutting unnecessary costs, you can create a surplus that can be invested wisely to generate wealth. Step 3. Harnessing the power of passive income. From real estate investments to online businesses, there are numerous opportunities to generate passive income streams. To unlock massive wealth, you need to understand the power of passive income. While active income requires you to trade time for money, passive income allows you to earn money while you sleep. Step 4. Investing for wealth creation. By leveraging the power of compounding and making smart investment choices, you can grow your wealth exponentially over time. Investing is a critical step in your journey towards financial freedom. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or other investment vehicles, diversification is key. Step 5. Mastering the art of financial education. One of the secrets to building massive wealth is continuous learning. By investing in your financial education, you can make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Read books, attend seminars, and follow influential figures in the financial world to expand your knowledge and gain valuable insights. Step 6. Embracing a wealth mindset. Last but not least, embracing a wealth mindset is crucial for your journey towards financial freedom. Believe in your ability to achieve your goals, stay persistent in the face of challenges, and surround yourself with positive influences. Remember, wealth is not just about money, it's about creating a life of abundance and fulfillment. Congratulations! You now hold the key to unlocking the path to financial freedom. By setting smart goals, budgeting, saving, harnessing passive income, investing wisely, investing in your financial education, and embracing a wealth mindset, you can create the life you've always dreamed of. Join us on this exciting journey towards abundance and start living life on your own terms. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more of such videos.